Welcome to the April monthly update. Let's dive in and take a look at key progress across design, build, test, and launch. This month, the team released 2,055 flight parts. The team continues to focus on the Stage 1 shipping assembly, with nearly all first stage structural components and avionics released, unlocking downstream integration. Integration continues to advance across Terran R's primary structures. On the second stage, tank internals and structures are complete, so attention has turned to final integration activities. Avionics trays, boxes, harnesses, and valves have been installed, alongside raceway integration. Low-voltage checkouts have begun, bringing together avionics boxes and flight software on the vehicle. In parallel, teams are preparing for upcoming stage shipment to NASA Stennis, with the aft closeout for transportation delivered, the aft cradle nearing completion, and the boat in transit. On the thrust structure, fluids routing progressed, alongside completion of key subsystem and structural work and the installation of main harnessing. Teams also continued fire sealing drilling and finalized the handling fixture for the breakover tool. Stage 1 qualification article welding is complete, with the final circumferential friction stir weld finished. The downcomer is nearing completion ahead of vehicle installation and structural qualification testing. In propulsion, the team has manufactured, assembled, and shipped all first stage ANR engines for Flight 1. Production continues to ramp for future flights, ensuring high volume operations. In-house battery production is also ramping, with units undergoing flight build and acceptance testing. With second stage hardware in the loop build complete, teams began running software run for record tests. These tests demonstrate end-to-end integration of flight software with avionics, validating system behavior under flight-like conditions. At NASA Stennis, ANR acceptance testing continues, with more engines accepted for flight. On the second stage AON V engine, the team ran full duration mission duty cycles and reached key service life milestones. Infrastructure continues to scale to support high-volume testing. Fluids routing progressed on the A2 stage test stand, and fabrication of the diverter continues. The first vertical liquid natural gas pump was delivered, enabling us to supply 150,000 gallons of fluid in 30 minutes. Installation of the acoustic water ring started, where multiple sections will be lifted and field welded into place. Back in Long Beach, teams are finalizing modifications to the structural test stand for upcoming Stage 1 qualification testing. Inside the factory, infrastructure expansion continues, with additional powder bed fusion and CNC machines installed in the expanded machine shop. Launch site progress continues in Cape Canaveral. The water tower completed its fourth lift, now standing at 275 feet tall. Foundations for the water farm are underway, and initial valve click checks were run at the LOX farm, officially beginning activation of the system. The team conducted the first hot fill on a liquid nitrogen tank, loading cryogenic fluid into the 15,000-gallon tank. Steel framing for the diverter has been delivered, and foundations for the lightning protection systems are complete and steel erection has begun. That concludes our April update, with key integration and infrastructure milestones bringing Terran R closer to flight readiness.